What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. Now sending from a crypto from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet is really easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and click on your Phantom Wallet at the top right here and basically click on the receive option. Now from here, go and choose a cryptocurrency that you want to receive. Like for example, we have Solana. Let's go and click on it. Now from here, you should see the copy button. Go ahead and click on copy. And once you've done that, let's head over into our Coinbase account. Now, in here in Coinbase.com, once you've logged in, this is what you'll be seeing. So, at the right side here, we have a bunch of options. So in this case, since we want to send from our Coinbase account, let's go and click on Send Crypto. Now, from here, it should show your current Coinbase wallet. So just go ahead and click on it. And from then on the next page, this is what might you see on the next page. Now, it might ask you to search for the cryptocurrency or the crypto that you want to send first. So just search for Solana there. But in this case, in this UI here, you should now have the option to start sending. So in this case, you can just specify the amount that you want to send here. So in the top section, you also have the two sections. So if you click on it or press on it, you should now or have the option to basically enter the address, which in this case, what we copied before. Now, once you've pasted that, you should be able to select the address for it. And from here on, this is what the details of the transaction is going to be. Now, go ahead and click on Preview Send here, and you should be able to see the transaction overview. Now, just make sure the address is correct, and also review your network, the network fees as well. And yeah, so if you're sure, just click on Send Now, and you should be good. So your crypto should arrive in a few minutes or a few seconds, but that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.